It's that time of year. It's time to celebrate graduations. I have a brand new scrapbooking kit of 6 pages that I'd like to present to you that you may be interested in. So let's check it out. We have 6 pages that we'll be creating, and these are pages 1 and 2, which are just lovely. So these are some of the details, but let's get and dive right into what is in here. So first of all, we have beautiful botanical paper that we'll be using. There's some gold foil, black, two-tone cardstock, as well as white willow. And we have the Daffodil Delight as well as garden green, which is really pretty with this kit. Beautiful design, lovely flowers, and I can't wait to show you some of the close-ups. You see this beautiful graduation cap? Well, I'll be creating that for you, as well as adding the gold tassel, the gold threads, and the gold brad in here for you so that you can use this iconic image on your layout. The word smile is stamped, and that is from the Secret Garden flower stamp set. So if that's something you want to add, you can add smile or stamp whatever you like as well. Now, many of you own the Secret Garden set, but if not, I'll have a link to that kit because it's absolutely beautiful and it's such a great value at 50% off. I love that you did it, which I've also used gold shimmer brushing on it just to pop that up a little bit. Now you'll be adding some of your own circles to the layouts, and we'll be using the stylish die cuts for that, stylish shapes. So here you can really see the difference on pages 3 and 4, how we're using those shapes to create the look here. Love this really pretty paper, and you have the gold foil again. Now there's also a new product being included, these beautiful gold labels ephemera pack. So you are getting a half a pack of that, just what you need pretty much to use on these layouts. But now you can see how we use these beautiful stylish shapes, die cuts. They leave a nice little stitching design around them, and then we're taking those circles here and using them over here. Aren't these flowers gorgeous? Now, like I said, if you prefer to have your own flowers that you have in the stash, go right ahead and use that. I just stamped a little bit of these cute little dots here from the Secret Garden set as well. The diploma is colored in with colored pencils, but you can use shimmer brushes, you can use markers to color them in, and you'll note I stamped the background with some ink in leaves. Now you can pick any kind of leaves you have in your stash, or you can forego stamping at all. You Did It is actually a Cricut cut that will be included, and it's placed on one of those gold ephemera labels. Isn't this pretty? So, so pretty, and the papers are just gorgeous. Congrats is another die cut that I will be including in there. Actually, it's a Cricut cut, not a die cut, that will be included, and you will attach that to one of those gold labels. Now, I know you can't really see that gold metallic here, but they are, and they really look pretty. We have to do a class of page, right? So class of 2025 are pages 5 and 6, but if you need a different date, let me know and I'll change it out for you. They are Cricut cut and will be included. Daffodil Delight, that yellow paper in the background. What I love about using the yellow and the white and black, it's gender friendly. It's for any age. This could be elementary, high school, or college grad. There's really no specific age group or gender for this, so you can definitely use it for him or her. We'll also have this cute little pocket for journaling. It's on one of the labels, so you might add your journaling here, add a little flower and some leaves, and it really pops on the page. The class of is again one of those Cricut cuts, and you can see the beautiful flowers. These Secret Garden flowers, if you don't own them by now, you're really missing out because you're getting a whole kit at half the price, and it's so worth it. But the graduation kit is all inclusive, and it will be $62 plus shipping to you for the 6 pages and the products that are included. So we have a lot of the Cricut cuts, the ephemera, gold ephemera labels. We have gold foil. We're using half a pack of the Botanical Designer Series paper. You'll be getting 16 sheets of cardstock, which will be white willow, two-tone black, a solid black, as well as daffodil Delight and garden green for the leaves. Really beautiful. You'll also receive a half a sheet of the adhesive sheets, which is a 6 by 12 sheet. And then I wanted to point out that these are the stylish shapes that I am using in this kit. This is a really great set to have. You have quite a few of these squares, and they're double stitched here, as well as the circles. And then you have the dovetails. So I am using all of these on the layout. So this is something you can add on or order separately. And here is Secret Garden. Now, if you've missed out on owning this, this is a great opportunity before it's gone because you'll never see this again. It's got a complete set of the flowers, which I'm going to go over. There's a stamp set, 2 sets of die cuts. There's also paper, stickers, you name it, and beautiful dots in here, which you can add. Now, here are those beautiful flowers. So you can use your own flowers, but I highly recommend owning this set. So you have these flowers to make this set. This collection here makes this, and then you have these other flowers all here. Everything that you see will be on the directions for me to share. So here is that graduation kit, pages 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5 and 6. The details are on my blog at lynncomo.com. I'll have the payment information, and I hope you'll join me in purchasing this kit so that you can make these gorgeous graduation pages.